Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. As I'm sure most of you know, the Mac is a very productive machine, and when an application comes along that tries to make navigating your work even quicker, then it's worth some attention. Now, TabTab is a brand new application which I picked up on Black Friday this year after hearing some great things. And it only took a few minutes of using it to realize it was something I'm going to be making a lot of use of. It's an application switcher that also has the ability to switch to tabs in different applications, no matter where you are on the Mac. And that can save a lot of time. Now, it's in the early stages at the moment, but it does support enough applications to warrant a purchase, in my opinion. And I'll run through some of the main use cases now. Okay, I've not actually run TabTab on this account, so I'm going to run it for the first time here. It asks if I want to automatically check for updates, and I will. I won't automatically download and install them, mainly because I do quite like to manually install my updates so that I can see what's new and test it out and see if it's something that I need to share with you all. Now, of course, TabTab does need to have permission to access applications like the Finder, Safari, etc. to get the tab information, as well as any running applications. So I'll come down and find it. Flick this toggle here. I'll just use Touch ID on my Mac here to authenticate. And with that done, I'm clear to click Get Started. Now, there are two ways to invoke TabTab. You can use the Option and Tab key or the Command and Tab key. Now, if you do choose Command and Tab, you should note this will now become the default app switcher on your Mac, as the native one uses the same shortcut. So I use Option Tab myself. You can change this though in settings later. It's no big deal. So I'll click Continue. Then here we just have some guidance on how to enter search mode. It's very easy. So I'll click, and then we have activation. So with the free version of TabTab, you can track the 5 most recent tabs and applications, whereas unlocking, of course, will give you your full history of open tabs and apps. So if you just want to kick the tires, then you can click Not Yet here, or you can click to buy a license. And this takes you to the purchase page. Now, the $18.99 price here is a lifetime license for all updates, and I do have a feeling this app is going to develop a lot further.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.